Welcome to our week 2 training. Want to touch on some analysis we do in GIS. Before we start, or to continue this training, I'll show you how to digitize. Last time we talked about how to create different shape files, a different feature class. We created the trees, the roads, and the building feature class. Now we want to carry on digitizing, or popularly known as vectorization. To do that, I'll bring in my RSU drone imagery from our folder in the exercise file that was given to you. It's in GIS data, raster imagery. To add my RSU drone imagery, I'll right click on the imagery and add to the current map. I'll cancel the statistics. Yes. Now we have a base map we will be using for this training. Another thing is I'll also add my RSU building. It's in the same, still in the GIS dataset folder. Now on the vector folder, add building shapefile, drag and drop. Right, that's nice. So I'll pan to a suitable location. Right, I'll pan to this section. I want to digitize this building here, this building within this extent. I'll go to my edit tab, go to create under the features group. The create features pane will pop up. I'll click on buildings, but before that, and I want to make this symbol palette hollow so that I can see the extent. I'll select this black outline, go to properties, I'll change it to red, select red. All right. Now I'll go to my create feature pane, click on building, zoom in. I'll try to digitize the edge of the building. Uh, I'm okay with that. Do the same thing for this other field, this other feature. I'll do the same thing for this other. I'll repeat the same thing for the second building. Double click once I'm done. Click on base finish sketch to finish my edit. Don't forget you need to save. If not, all what you've done won't be saved in the feature class. Save. Now let's see what we've done there. Right click on the building, go to attribute table. You see the building I just created. I'm going to fill up this table. Let's assume the floor is just 1 and the building type is office. I'll populate the attribute table. Once I'm happy with it, I'll click outside, and for now the area won't be calculated. For you to get the area, you will need to right click on the area field, go to calculate geometry. Yes, I'll select the coordinate system. Since I created these trees using the UTM zone 32 knots, I'll click on it. I'll select under this section, I'll select area because the area I want to calculate. And the area you need to pop up, I want it in square meters. Click OK. Once you do that, the area of the building will be calculated, this selected one. I'll repeat the same process for this building. Under my create feature pane, I select the building. Note we are using the previously existing building in the file I gave to you, not the one we created recently. Because you check in your content pane, we have two buildings. One is building, the other one is buildings. So we're working on the buildings, not the building. I can zoom out to see the edge or the vertices of this building. So I'm using the scroll button to scroll in and out. I guess to just get this building footprint and use the also the same scroll button. If you click on it down, the pan hand it will change to pan. Then you use it to drag to a suitable location. I'm done. I'll right click in this case now and click finish. Save. Let's say I made a mistake. Let me pan like in this section. How do I correct this? Now, first of all, I'll save my edits with the building still highlighted. I'll go to modify under the features group in the edit tab. I'll select this in the modify features pane that just pop up. I'll select this. I'll select under the reshape section. I'll select edit vertices. So what I will do is I'll highlight, use under the selection group, click on the select button, highlight on my building, click on the edit vertices. With that, I can move the icon to where I want it to be. But let's say the first time you turn it on, this sketch proportionally button is highlighted like this. If it's highlighted, you won't be able to drag individual vertices. So in order for you to be able to drag individual vertices, you need to uncheck toggle off the sketch proportional. You need to toggle off the stretch proportionately button so that you'll be able to adjust the vertices to the way you want. See. Alright, then you can either finish your sketch by selecting this button here, or then don't forget to save, clear your sketch. We've added this building footprint into our buildings shape file or feature class.